This class is for class 9 and chapter that we will be doing is indices. This class is in continuation to the previous class of indices, and in this class we will be discussing few more problems on indices. We have done up to question number 32, so today we will be starting from question number 33. Now look at this question. It is p to the power minus 1 q square upon p to the power 2 into q to the power minus 4 whole power 7 divided by p cube q to the power minus 5 upon p to the power minus q cube whole power minus 5 is equal to p to the power x q to the power y. Find xy. Means in this question you have to solve and find the value of x and y, and then later on you can add. So first of all, whatever powers are negative, we will inside the bracket we will try to convert them in positive. So p to the power minus 1 can come down and q to the power minus 4 can go to the numerator. So it will become q to the power 2 plus 4. Why? Because when negative goes to the denominator, this numerator, this will become positive. So q to the power 2 plus 4 upon p to the power 2, and this 1 comes to this side, so plus 1 whole power 7. Division sign into p goes to the numerator, so it will become p to the power 3 plus 2 upon q to the power 3 plus 5. This minus 5 comes to the denominator, so it becomes positive, and then minus to the power minus 5 is equal to p to the power x q to the power y. First step. Now in the second step, this power is negative, we will convert it into positive, means this whole fraction will reciprocate itself. So that will be q to the power 4 and 2 is 6 upon p to the power 2 and 1 3 whole power 7 divided by, this will become q to the power 8 upon p to the power 3 and 2 5 and to the power 5. This negative converted to positive, and so this fraction reciprocated. So 5 and 3 8, it became in the numerator, and 3 and 2 5, it became in the denominator. Now we know that according to BODMAS, this will be p to the power x q to the power y. We know that according to BODMAS, if there is a division sign, it changes to multiplication and the fraction gets reciprocated. So this can be written as, first we will solve this, q to the power 7 6 are 42, because we know that a to the power m whole power n means a to the power m into n. So 6 7s are 42 upon p to the power 7 3s are 21. Then multiplied by, this will go to the numerator, p to the power 5 upon q to the power 8 whole power 5 is equal to p to the power x and q to the power y. Now q to the power 42 upon p to the power 21 into 5 5s are 25, p to the power 25 upon q to the power 8 5s are 40 is equal to p to the power x and q to the power y. This can be, this is 40, this is 42, it means this can be written as q to the power 42 minus 40, this goes to the numerator, and 25 comes to the denominator, so p to the power 21 minus 25, that will give you q to the power 2, 42 minus 40 is 2 upon p to the power minus 4. It means it can be written as q square into p to the power 4. This power in the denominator move to the numerator, so it will become, it will change its sign, it will become positive. So this, and it was equal to p to the power x and q to the power y. Now when you compare, you will compare q square to q to the power y. So we can say, by comparing, what do we get? Q square is equal to q to the power y and p to the power 4 is equal to p to the power x, implies that x, or I'll say y is equal to 2 and x is equal to 4. So we have to find the value of x plus y. So x plus y will be 2 plus 4, that is 6, and that is the final value. Next question that I am taking is question number 34. This question has 4 parts, so I will be doing second and fourth part. I have written the second part, that is 13 whole power root x is equal to 4 to the power 4 minus 3 to the power 4 minus 6. First of all, we will convert the right hand side into a fixed number. So 4 into 4, 16, 16 4 is 64, and 64 into 4 is 256. So 256 minus 3 3 is 9, 3 is 26, 3 is 81, and minus 6 is equal to 13 to the power root x, can also be written as x to the power 1 upon 2. So this root x I am writing as x to the power 1 upon 2. X to the power 1 upon 2. It means that this can be written as 13 to the power x to the power 1 upon 2. We will not change anything over here. First we will try to solve it. Now 256 minus 6 is 250, and 250 minus 81, 10 minus 1 is 9, 8 and 6 14, 169. It means it can be written as 169. This total value can be written as 169, and this is 13 to the power, let us write root x only, because we know that 169 is 13 to the power 2. When bases are equal, we can equate the powers. It means root x is equal to 2, implies that x is equal to 2 square, or simply in between we can say squaring both sides. When you square both sides, we will be getting x as 4. That is the final value. Means no need to convert this, just solve it and you will find the value. Only you have to use the laws. Next question is 34th question, fourth part. In this it is given cube root of 4 whole power 2x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 1 upon 32. We have to find the value of x. First of all, 4 can be, because you can see it is 32. So 32 can be written as 2 to the powers. So I am writing as 1 upon 2 to the power 5. This power when goes to the numerator will become 2 to the power minus 5. Right hand side I have already solved. Now 4 can be written as 2 square, and cube root can be written as 1 upon 3. And then the power is there, which if we take the LCM, it will become 2 to the 4x plus 1 upon 2. Now we have changed all the numbers in the powers of 2. So you know that power, if there is power of power, they get multiplied. So this can be written as 2 to the power 2 upon 3 and whole power 4x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 to the power minus 5. Now again power of power is there, it means these will multiply. So 2 to the power 2 upon 3 into 4x plus 1 upon 2 is equal to 2 to the power minus 5. Now this 2 and this 2 will cancel. You are left with 2 to the power 4x plus 1 upon 3 is equal to 2 to the power minus 5. When the bases are equal, we can equate the powers. So 4x plus 1 upon 3 is equal to minus 5, cross multiply. 4x plus 1 is equal to minus 15. So 4x is equal to minus 15 minus 1. So 4x is equal to minus 16. So x is equal to minus 16 upon 4. That comes out to be minus 4. That is the final value. Now we'll take next question, 35. Question number 25, I have taken the second part, and here also you have to find the value of x. Again we will be using the laws that we have studied. So you can see 4 can be written as 2 to the power 2 and then whole power is x minus 1 into 0.5 can be written as 1 upon 2. Why? 0.5 decimal remove, 10 increase, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10. So 0.5 can be written as 1 upon 2 whole power 3 minus 2x is equal to 1 upon 8 can be written as 2 cube and to the power x. I hope this is understood. Now this will become 2 to the power, powers and powers get multiplied, so it will become 2x minus 2 into, this will become 2 to the power 1 will go to the numerator, will become 2 to the power minus 1 and whole power 3 minus 2x and this will become 2 to the power minus 3 whole power x. Now we will first solve the powers. So this can be written as 2 to the power 2x minus 2 into 2 to the power minus 1 into 3 is minus 3 and minus 1 into minus 2x is plus 2x. So we can write it 2x minus 3 is equal to 2 to the power minus 3x. Now powers are different, bases are same and in between there is a multiplication sign. So powers will be added. This will become 2 to the power 2x minus 2 plus 2x minus 3 is equal to 2 to the power minus 3x. Bases are same, powers are different, so we can equate them. So 2 and 2 is 4x minus 3 minus 2 minus 5 is equal to minus 3x. 3x come to this side. So 4x plus 3x, 5 goes to that side, is equal to 5. 7x is equal to 5. So x is equal to 5 upon 7. That is the final value. Next question I have taken as question number 37. Question number 36 is quite easy. I expect everybody can do it on your own. In case you have doubt, you can send me the doubt. Now, you can see in this question, I'll read out. First it is 9 to the power n into 3 square into 3 to the power n minus 27 to the power n whole upon 3 to the power 3m into 2 cube is equal to 1 upon 27. You have to prove m is equal to 1 plus n. Now what we can see in this, that most of the numbers are given in the powers of 3 except this 2 cube. So what we will try to do, we will try to make everything in the powers of 3. So for this 9 can be written as 3 square whole power n into 3 square and 3 square into 3 to the power n can be written as plus n, because we know that a to the power m into a to the power n can be written as a to the power m plus n. And here it is 3 to the power 2 into 3 to the power n can be written as 3 to the power 2 plus n. So that is why I have written these two values I have written as 3 to the power 2 plus n. Minus 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3 whole power n upon 3 to the power 3m into 2 cube. 2 cube can be written as 8 is equal to 1 upon 27 can be written as 3 to the power 3. 3 3s are 9, 3s are 27. Now everything has been almost converted to the powers of 3. Now 3 to the power 2n can be written as 3 to the power 2n. 2 and n will multiply, so you will get this into 3 to the power 2 plus n minus this will become 3 to the power 3n upon 3 to the power 3 to the power 3m and into 8 is equal to 3 to the power minus 3. This 3 goes to the numerator, it becomes minus 3. Now you can add these powers, so can be written as 3 to the power 2n plus 2 plus n minus 3 to the power 3n upon 3 to the power 3m into 8 is equal to 3 to the power minus 3. Now, what we will do, from if we add them, 2 1 plus 1 will give you 3n, means this can be written as 3 to the power 2n plus n is 3n plus 2 minus 3 to the power 3n upon 3 to the power 3m into 8 is equal to 3 to the power minus 3. Now from both these we can take 3 to the power 3n common, because 3 to the power 3n plus 2 means 3 to the power 3n into 3 square. So we are taking 3 to the power 3n common from the numerator. So 3 to the power 3n, what is left? 3 square minus 1 is left, upon 3 to the power 3m into 8 is equal to 3 to the power minus 3. Now 3 square is 9, minus 1 is 8. It means this value will be coming 8. 8 and 8 will get cancelled. 3 square is, I am writing 9, and minus 1 is equal to 8. So this value 8 will cancel the denominator 8. So now we are getting 3 to the power 3n and upon 3 to the power 3m is equal to 3 to the power minus 3. Now 3m comes to the numerator, can be written as 3 to the power 3n minus 3m is equal to 3 to the power minus 3. Bases are equal, so we can write n minus m is equal to minus 3. We can write 3n minus 3m is equal to minus 3. You can take 3 common. You are left with n minus m is equal to minus 3. 3 goes to that side. It divides. So you will get n minus m is equal to minus 3 upon 3, that is minus 1. So it means can be written as n is equal to or n is equal n minus m is equal to minus 1. So we can say m goes to that side, 1 comes to this side. So n plus 1 is equal to m. That is the proof of the question. I hope this is understood. Now we move on to the next question. Next is question number 38. They say if 3 to the power 4x equal to 81 to the power minus 1 and 10 to the power 1 upon y is equal to 0.0001, find the value of 2 to the power minus x into 16 to the power y. Now first we'll solve this. So 3 to the power 4x can be written as, now 81 can be written as 3 to the power 4. 3 is 9, 3 is 27, 3 is 81. So this can be written as 3 to the power 4 power minus 1. It means 3 to the power 4x is equal to 3 to the power minus 4. When bases are equal, we can equate the powers. So 4x is equal to minus 4 implies that x is equal to minus 1. We got the value of x. Now similarly we will solve this. 10 to the power 1 upon y can be written as 0.0001. You remove the decimal, increase how many zeros? 1 will come here. 1, 2, 3, 4. It means 1 upon 10,000. 1 upon 10,000 can be written as 1 upon 10 to the power 4. Here it can be written as 10 to the power 1 upon y. Now which, if you bring this power to the numerator, it will become negative. So 10 to the power minus 4. Now you can see bases are equal, powers are different. So we can say, we can equate the powers and we can say 1 upon y is equal to minus 4. It means that minus 1 upon 4 is equal to y. We got the value of y as well. Now we will substitute these values of x and y in the given equation. So 2 to the power minus x into 16 to the power y. This you have to find out. So 2 to the power minus of x is minus 1, like this, into 16 to the power y. Y is minus 1 upon 4. This will be 2 to the power minus and minus will be positive. So simply 1 into 16 can be written as 2 to the power 4. 2 to the 4 to the 2 16. To the power minus 1 upon 4. We know power of powers get multiplied, so this can be written as 2 to the power 1 into 2 to the power 4 upon 4 of negative. So this and this will cancel. It means 2 to the power 1 into 2 to the power minus 1. You know when the bases are equal, powers get added. So 2 to the power 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 to the power 0. Something to the power 0 is always 1. That is the final value. I hope this is understood. Now last question will be question number 40. Let's see what it is. 40 is a little bit different. The question says solve the following. Now in this first one you can see everything is in the power of 3. In the second you can see that everything is in the power of 2. First of all we will convert them in powers, and then when the powers will be when the bases will be equal, then powers will be equated, and by then we will get it in the form of simultaneous linear equation, and then we have to solve. Let's see what it is. This can be written as 3 to the power x is equal to 9 can be written as 3 square into 3 to the power y, whereas 8 can be written as 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power y is equal to 2 to the power 4 can be written as 2 square, so 2 square and into x means 2x. Now this can be written as 3 to the power x is equal to 3 to the power 2 plus y. Bases are same, powers are different, multiplication is there, so they will get added. Similarly, 2 to the power 3 plus y is equal to 2 to the power 2x. In this bases are equal, so we can say x is equal to 2 plus y. We got one equation. And in this bases are equal, so we can say 3 plus y is equal to 2x. This is again one equation. Now these are in the form of simultaneous equations which we can solve by either elimination method, substitution method, or cross multiplication method. So what I am doing, I am solving it by substitution method. By substitution method. Because I can see that x is equal to 2 plus 5, so I will substitute this value of x in the second equation. So 3 plus y is equal to 2 times of x. X is 2 plus y. That makes 3 plus y is equal to 4 plus 2y. 2 to the 4 and 2y. So this 4 will come to this side. 3 minus 4 is equal to 2y. Y goes to that side, minus y. So y is equal to minus 1. We got the value of y. If we substitute this value of y in equation number 1, we can get x equal to 2 plus y. 2 plus y means 2 plus of minus 1, that is 2 minus 1, that is 1. We got x as minus x as 1. So that is the final value. Now I hope that this chapter is finished. Still, if you all have any doubt, you can just send me your problems on this. Next chapter is logarithms. That is not in your syllabus, so we will not be doing that for this year. Now next after this, the chapter will be triangles, or you can say the geometry is about to start. So please keep watching, stay blessed, and subscribe and like. Thank you.